Shivani, you know, our customers get a feeling of abundance, you know, when they visit our stores. But I have a feeling of a very different abundance.
Which is?
You know, our group, it operates over 1.6 crore square feet of retail space. 1.6 crores.
Yeah, Puneet, that's true. But you know what I think? That each and every store has its own charm. And for me, that's more important.
I agree. And isn't it wonderful to visit a new store, especially like this one?
Yeah, indeed it is. Puneet, let's talk about something which I really like.
Which is?
The stationery category.
Ah, you work with that category, right?
Yes, Puneet. And nowadays, there's a lot happening in the category and a lot more to come.
Yes, I know. In fact, we spoke to your category head, Aarti.
The stationery category has been integral to Big Bazaar. With a presence in 142 stores across the country, the category strives to bring world-class stationery at reasonable prices to customers across India.
Have grown in terms of not only numbers but also the kind of customers that we have been serving. So yes, we had originally started with kids being the most important product for us. Till date, it is one of the most important product for us, but we are now serving across target customers, across age groups and across different corporate profiles. We have stuff for office supplies, we have corporate gifting like organizers, we have a new range of swing kits, which is again a utility product for a household wife. So now we are cutting across different age groups and different customer profiles.
Children's category is very important within stationery. It contributes roughly 50% of the category's revenue. Aarti's team has taken some very innovative steps in catering to this segment. The category recently forged an alliance with Nickelodeon to launch SpongeBob SquarePants back-to-school range in India. SpongeBob SquarePants is a cartoon character with much fan following amongst children as well as adults. SpongeBob has as many as 2.9 crore fans on Facebook alone.
Every character is either a cuddly-duddly character or something which is very huggable. Sponge is a different one. He's square, he's yellow, and he's all fun.
Our stationery category has selected varied Sponge products from erasers to pencils and sharpeners, from pouches to coin bags. The price range is also attractive. The product starts from as little as 35 rupees, fulfilling the category's effort of bringing world-class stationery products at reasonable prices to customers across India. The SpongeBob range was launched with much fanfare in Mumbai. Mandira Bedi's celebrated anchor, actor and mother launched the range.
When I was in school, like all of you, I used to love really nice pencil boxes and erasers and rulers. The fact is, it's available now and it's available here. And it's available only in Big Bazaar!
We are calling this whole launch as a a carnival of expressions, which means the kids are supposed to bring out the real form of sponge that they think of, how they look at sponge. So they are going to draw that form on the paper. We are going to hold some coloring competitions. That is going to be judged by the internal teams, and then Sponge is going to come and meet the kids and play around with the kids.
Like with Nickelodeon, the stationery category has also done several customer engagement activities together with Faber-Castell, including competitions and lucky draws. One innovative prize was to give the winner an all-paid trip to Faber-Castell in Germany. This way, the category integrates intelligent selection of merchandise, win-win partnerships and effective promotions to, of course, simultaneously serve customers as well as increase numbers.
So yes, we are growing. We are looking at more than a 25% YOY growth, and we have been till last year, we have been growing at the rate of say 30% YOY. So yes, we are looking at similar numbers in the future too.
That was quite wow, Shivani.
Yes, it is.
Now let's talk about something I really like.
And what is that?
You play football?
No, no way. But yeah, I love to watch when I'm compelled to.
You know, Shivani, Manchester United and Future Group have come together to sell Manchester United merchandise in India. And it's going to be a treat for football fans like me.
Yeah, indeed. Sanket is bringing us the story.
Happening evening at the Palladium Mall for the Manchester United.
Hello professionals here at the football zone of Manchester United. Look at it go, come on, तालियां बजाओ, come on guys, मैं के लिए तालियां बजाओ. Come on, सब लोग खड़े हैं यहाँ पे मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड के पास. Come on. Let's go, come on, that's Chinmay everybody. Wow. What सब लोग साथ में तालियां बजाओ हमारे दोनों परफॉर्मर्स के लिए. Come on, जोरदार तालियां.
Football is my favorite sport, and it's not just about individual skills. It is also about teamwork, like our profession. Hi, I'm Sanket Chavan. I'm delighted to bring you the segment on partnership of our group and Manchester United.
Good ball in!
The Manchester United club is based out of Old Trafford, Manchester, UK and has won most trophies in English football, including a record 19 league titles and a record 11 FA Cups. They have an enormous fan following of crores of people, globally and in India.
The club started way back in 1848. Yes, way back. Even today it is amongst the most admired club in the world. No wonder our group and club came together.
Sensing the growing popularity of football in India, popular English clubs have decided to give fans a reason to celebrate. Back home, loyalty to clubs is fast becoming quite a cult. And endorsing this cult, our group's format, Indus League Clothing Limited, has launched 2 exclusive Manchester United stores in association with Manchester United merchandising. This is also the group's maiden foray in sportswear. Merchandise at the stores comprise of apparels for adults as well as children. Similarly, the store offers a complete array of memorabilia and accessories, all of which embody the core Manchester United essence, glory and greatness. Further, the merchandise can be personalized. A treat for football fans for sure.
Please visit our store when you're around. All of us will be delighted to have you here. Thank you and see you.